What's going on, guys? This is episode 30. We are at Cheesecake Factory. For those of you who don't know, Cheesecake Factory last year went from $16 to, we sold at $32, but the stock is now at $54 a share. $2.73 billion company. Right before COVID hit, they had a $308 million acquisition of Fox Restaurant Concept. Fox Restaurant Concept has restaurants such as Culinary Dropouts, The Henry, Arrogant Butcher, and so forth. What's going on, guys? This is about Cheesecake Factory. As you know, episode 30, but it was gonna be episode 20 initially, but remember what happened in episode 20 is I got COVID-19, if you recall, if you've been following. I wanted to show you how it closed, Cheesecake Factory. Look at that, 56.08. It actually topped out at 63. No, it's 58 last day. Yeah, it topped out at 63, and then remember Campbell's soup went down 6% because inflation, input costs are rising, guys, and I think it's gonna hit most of the restaurants. And not just that, one of my partners said that 2x4s costs are going up at Lowe's. So there's pockets of inflation here and there, and I think it's going to get worse. So if that happens, they're going to raise the interest rates, and hopefully we don't fall into a recession. But yeah, so I've exited the position a long time ago. I want to show you what happened after COVID. So let me show you. So this is COVID, right? So March 23rd was my birthday. I bought this like a birthday gift. Started buying it at $16, guys. Cheesecake Factory at 16. It was a no-brainer. Heavy on the option positions, 20s, 25s, 30s, 35s. I incrementally went back and forth, scalping and holding some of it overnight. But because I want to capture as much of the compounding as I can, but I also, when these major pullbacks happen, I want to make sure I take profits. So I did really well. We did close to 17,000 during this period, and it was only like 4 or 5 months. We started exiting like June, July, August. So even though I exited at 32, 33 area, this thing took off to 56, 60. But there's no way I could have predicted this move. I knew this move was statistically highly probable, but I didn't know this was going to happen, and that's fine. And that's the thing. That's what I'm good at. I'm good at reversals. The major money is made in reversals, guys. Okay, that's the biggest tip I can give you. And the second tip, you have to watch the whole video. Unfortunately, that's how I force people to watch my entire video. Is I give tips and secrets at times you're not going to expect. So yeah, really heavy on Cheesecake Factory. This was our number 2 moneymaker in year 2020. Number 1 was Carnival Cruise. So go ahead and watch this. I took a short trip on the coast from LA, Santa Monica to Seattle, and came back. It was great. I enjoyed Oregon, San Francisco, and all that. Loved it. I needed a little R&R because May was very stressful. The last couple of months we're not making any money because unfortunately the volatility has subsided and it's a very hard market environment. If anyone's surviving is the scalpers and traders, but investors are not really making much until we have a huge correction. So anyway, guys, watch the video. Subscribe, comment, don't give me any negative comments. Somebody recently said that my YouTube channel is garbage because my audio is horrible, and I apologize, guys. My audio and my video are horrible. I'm getting a new camera, a new microphone. Things are going to be much more professional going forward. So this is the last episode you're going to be dealing with this crap. So hang in there. I'm slowly improving. It's just not a priority of mine. All right, guys, take it easy and enjoy episode 30. This DJ is killing it. What a gorgeous day. San Fran. I wonder why all the guys are smiling. Seriously though, like it took me a while to realize, like, fuck. Now I know why they're smiling. I totally forgot. They want to get into these pants. I am officially in San Francisco. Everywhere else is really hot, except right here by the beach. It's actually much colder. It's 62 degrees. I love it here though. I hate driving here. I forgot how much I hate driving here. But I love walking around, just getting lost in the city. Damn, San Francisco's dead. There's nobody outside. Wow. This is like Thursday night. This is my favorite part in San Francisco. There's one thing I hate about San Francisco. These cables. This is a bitch city. Did I say bitch? Bitch city. These are multi-million-dollar houses, and this is the wiring they still have. And this goes on for like a mile. You wouldn't see this shit in LA. Not at all. I love this city, but some of the stuff is like, what the hell are they doing? I love Oregon. I would consider retiring here when I'm older. Such an awesome, awesome day. Their revenues increased 2% to 627 million last quarter versus 2020. Last quarter they took a $1.6 million hit loss versus 136 million in 2020. So they're doing way better than they did last quarter. And their specialty bakery segment is also doing good. Went up 16.7 million instead of 13 million last quarter. They have the best cheesecakes. But I'm not going to eat cheesecake today. It's too much food. If you're just tuning in, every round episode I'll be eating at a restaurant that I trade, that I like. And I'll be giving you a lot of good tips about trading and money management. One of the best secrets I can tell you is focus on companies that have high institutional accumulation. That was a game changer for me. I stuck around to companies that hedge funds want to buy. And if you want to take this seriously, you should only buy stocks that other hedge funds want to buy. Large cap companies. Above 10 billion preferably. So Cheesecake Factory has a lot of insider shares and has a lot of treasury stock, and that's why I like it. I'm getting used to the fact of me talking to the camera while people are watching. Hungry.
Your chicken tasting good too.
Amazing, man. Thank you. I want to take this home.